Right, so I'm going to show you how to connect your Razer BlackShark V2 Pros to any smart TV without the dongle. Okay, so let's say you've misplaced the dongle, or you don't have a USB port on your TV. Maybe all of them are used up and you just want to connect without a dongle. What do? First things first, go to your smart TV's Bluetooth settings. Okay, depending on what smart TV you have, the process could be slightly different, but most smart TVs have a place that you can go to the Bluetooth settings and start scanning for Bluetooth devices to connect to. Now, as you can see, that has already been detected because it's in pairing mode. Now, if your headphones are not in pairing mode, then you need to turn them off. Okay, and from the off state, you press and hold that power button until it starts blinking blue. There you go. That they're now in pairing mode. So now on the available devices list, select your headphones and then select pair and connect. And they should get connected. Simple as that. And they're connected without the dongle. Okay. Thanks for watching and good luck.